Well, hello guys, Dave with Fitness Technology Service here. We're going to do another video on an in-house repair. This was can't adjust belt, but once this belt's this far gone and it's folded over like that, it's going to have to be replaced. But I figure while I'm here experimenting, I'm going to cut this edge and see if I can recenter it and use the belt smaller. All right, so let's just an experiment here. Let's see. All right, so here's the same machine. Belt's cut. Looks like I might have to trim up a little bit more, something slightly touching. But in general, it looked like it's staying. So let me see what the deal is with that little bit of noise. Let me trim it just a little bit more. Let's see if I can't get rid of that sound. No one's going to like that sound. I'm going to give it a little bit more trim here. Actually, that's a little better with it more centered. Yeah, nope, I'm going to try and leave as much belt on it as I can. I've already changed my mind on that. So when you cut yours, you may want to do a better job. But that's working pretty good compared to what it was. Couldn't work at all. Hang on. All right, so I cut it more neatly. You can see all my leftover parts of the belt. But it's looking pretty good now. So I think for all you do-it-yourselfers, if you have a folding belt like that, no promises, don't know if yours will work. I don't even know if this one will stay working. But looking pretty good. All right, so I just thought I'd show that to you as an experiment. I have cut it a little better, as you can see. It's a little straighter cut now. So we should be good to go. Oh, and one more thing, when you do this, you have to change your belt guides on the bottom of the machine. So I'll do a picture of that because you need the belt guides to lightly touch the belt. So hang tight. All right, so this is an example of what I mean by your belt. Once it's cut, you'll have to move your belt guides. They were originally mounted to that hole, so I drilled them and moved them inside some. So there's one on the left and one on the right. So you kind of want your belt in the center of that. It's supposed to hold the belt in place so it doesn't walk all around. All right, so this little experiment so far looks like it's going good. All right, so thanks a lot. See you guys again next time.